recording this third Celosia video. Kind of funny. Almost on our way to the parking lot outside the building at, what is it, like 9, 10 at night?
Probably 10.
It's super late. And the cars are really noisy. But this is just sort of like, we wanted to do it off the cuff because it's an illustration of kind of the magic of Celosia is the one pointed focus in the direction that you want to be going in. And sometimes to the detriment of other things on your list. So we were not even at the building, not even at the office today because we were working off-site for a huge project. And that's what happens when you're full on focused on one thing. Then other things go, you forget to do them. So yeah, it's like 10 o'clock at night and I remembered how important it was for me to do this video. So I thought I would just take the opportunity to be this expression of doing the things that need to be done and in whatever fashion and form that you show up in, and just getting it done how you get it done. Also, I did want to mention too that since starting Taiwanese Celosia Elixir, 3 of us on the team started like really paying attention to what we were eating, how much exercise we were getting, we cut out all sugar, wheat, and rice and grains for a couple weeks just to kind of reset and be more aware of our bodies and palates and how we feel. And I thought that was an interesting phenomenon. I'm curious if anyone else is experiencing a similar desire to really like either do spring cleaning or pay attention to your body in a different way. I might have had a healing crisis in the beginning because I was just like eating so much stuff at night in weird times and things I don't normally eat. So that might be of interest. I would just say if you're working with the Celosia and you're not, like supporting yourself with other support flower essences, if you're really single focused in that, just be aware that it can really be a driver. And so you may want to take breaks or just a couple extra check-ins during the day of like, how am I? What do I need? Do I need to drink more water? Or what else is straggling on my list that I forgot to do because I've been so focused on, whatever it is that you're focused on. So some good questions for this week would be, this is the Celosia flower right here too. It's like, some good questions for this week would be, how are you taking care of yourself? And it's kind of unflower related, right? Because it's more like the side effect of being so forward focused on something. Can you take a couple more extra breaks, even literally just like 30 seconds to check in with yourself and see what you need? And what are you like rocking out on? Like, what do you find yourself being pushed forward or propelled forward to do? What's that number one priority that you finding yourself kind of driven or compelled forward to take care of? And how does that feel? You might feel like this. And that's okay.